This is not my oldest one, but this is one that works. This is one of those famous internet selling site ones. And I have a late 1950s in the box that I had when I was 6 years old. So, shall I fix some more and show you them running, or do something else? So that needs straightening out. And that's what they come like. They've been dropped. Some of them haven't got the right bodies on. The wheels need cleaning. The contacts don't work. I've been working on one and the motor is probably burnt out, but I can't see. So I'll take the whole thing apart and see if I can find a broken winding or even winding on the armature. That's where they clip into on the back. First undo that screw, which is that there, but you'll come a cropper if you don't keep this on the chassis, because all of this will pop out. And lining it up and getting it back in can be annoying. There's a crack on some of the wheels. If they're really bad, then I file them down, only if they interfere with running on the track. You can still buy new contact plates. If anybody wants to know where to get them, then just send me a message. Right, that's it for a Friday. I've been left on my own today, so I got loads done. All of these have been most of them have been serviced. So clean your wheels, clean your track, check your points. What we got here? Some blue fluff. Right. Just before I go, I'll show you the turntable. This one's mechanical turntable. So you turn this and this goes round. But these, you've got to get these spot on, otherwise the train jumps off. I've got a few of these. So all of these work, every single one, even that crane. Right. If you like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you like. I do this for fun, nothing else, just for fun.